Good morning. It's Friday, September 26th. My name is Sofia Cruz, and here are the top things you need to know before the market opens today. Today, we are going to be talking about how President Trump is lapping big new tariffs across drugs, trucks, and furniture. In other news, American investors are now wanting to buy Oracle because of TikTok, and also, in the same deal, we're also going to be talking about how OpenAI needs new data centers from Oracle. GDP came out yesterday, and we're going to relate it to how Costco earnings calls went yesterday as well. Now, for Trump tariffs, this is what happened. President Trump just rolled a new bunch of tariffs yesterday. He was a little bit busy. Now, it's 100% duty on patent drugs unless they're made in the US or the company is making an investment within the US. Now, 20% on heavy trucks. This is going to be affecting the truck workforce as well. Now, this is going to be 50% on cabinets and vanities, 30% in another furniture. I mean, I was talking about the people who are currently working in the truck industry. I mean, these are the people who move the American money throughout the entire region. I mean, we're talking about a big picture right now. And I mean, tariffs could raise the average US rate by about 3.3 percentage point. I mean, but we're going to see how this relates to the macroeconomy more in depth in the near future. But now these drug makers like AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson are already pouring billions of dollars into the US so they can avoid paying all of these really high tariffs. In the short term, prices may go up, but in the long term, this is going to mean there's going to be more job opportunities for people in American factories. And we'll have to see how that rolls out, because when we talk about factories, it's going to be a different TikTok deal in motion. Yes, this is what happened yesterday. President Trump advanced in his plans for making U.S. investors buy TikTok. I mean, the original company was ByteDance, and now the company is being valued at around $14 billion. And the original parent company, ByteDance, is now only going to keep 20% of the company's share. People are talking about Oracle every day because Oracle has a lot to do with all of these deals. And Oracle stock today, before market opens, it's down by 5.5%. I mean, but when we talk about Oracle, we also have to talk about future with this stock, because this is going to be the majority of Americans' information within TikTok with this huge company. And when we talk about Oracle, we need to talk about these AI data centers and how OpenAI needs Oracle currently, because they need a place to keep all of these new projects and these new advancements that OpenAI is having. I mean, this is the Stargate project. We've been talking about it through these months, but now we're seeing a clear picture because it's going to be 7 gigawatts capacity, and it's over $400 billion investment through 2028. I mean, this is the long term. Now we're going to switch off to more macro US growth and spending, because GDP revised up yesterday for Q2, and it grew 3.8% analyzed versus 3.3% for quarter over quarter. Business investments are now up about 7.3%. The forecasts are saying that the economy might have a negative growth in the upcoming years, but maybe with the tax cuts and lower rates, the economy may have a little lift by 2026. We'll have to see how this plays out. But in the economy overall, we're still having a strong momentum after a softer quarter one. We'll also need to think about how Costco is doing, because Costco is like one of the biggest stores. They had their earnings call, and it's fighting inflation. It's sourcing more. Luckily, the market reaction, the stock is slightly down 0.9% pre-market currently. But the takeaway we're getting out of this is that shoppers are still showing up for value. Costco keeps winning, but we'll have to see how this plays out later for the American consumer and how these holiday season is going to be. My name's Sofia Cruz. Thanks for starting your morning with this morning briefing. I'll be back next week. See you till then.